What's up guys, how's weekend? Today I'm going to shoot a video about what's inside my camera bag. I've been a big fan for m43 system for years. So let's see what's inside my camera bag. I got my first camera, actually the first m43 camera, Olympus m43 when I was a university student. Then I transferred to the Panasonic system. And this is a small bag of the original Panasonic. It's really cheap and I bought it on the second-hand Taobao. It's about $10. Okay, let's see what's inside. This is a Sony wide adapter for the Panasonic 14mm. I'll tell you later. This is a charger of the Panasonic amazing Olympus 45mm portrait lens. Very good lens and affordable. It's my action camera. It's about $20, but really nice. I like to carry it if I don't want to take the whole bag. Lumix GX7. Also the second-hand camera I bought on the second-hand Taobao Shanyu is about $150. About 1000 RMB. Yes, exactly. Really cheap. You know, I just too amateur. I'm not that professional. I like everyday shooting. I wanted something that can replace my phone. That's it. And there's another battery. It's something make it. I love to take my Nokia Lumia m43 with my camera bag. I think it's a very good camera phone. I take it every day, you know, not really every day. I mean, every time I use my camera bag. It's really a still good camera with my Lumia camera system. It's a bit slow right now, but it's really nice. Yeah, really nice. That's cool. Okay, so I love the Panasonic manual system. Yes, I mean the manual logic is very simple. I think the best one for mirrorless camera. And it is a touch screen, so that easy to set. The manual design, and there's a pop. It has a tilt viewfinder. Looks good. Actually, I didn't use it quite a lot, but you know, just look cool. And its grip. Its grip is much better than the Olympus m43, and I think it's even better. It looks better than the common GX85 or GX9. The grip looks handles the best. The 14mm f2.5 is really sharp. It's not as sharp as 20mm, but it's really quiet and it's fast. The Sony wide adapter can compare to the Panasonic 14mm, so make it wider, and this is a cheap solution. Looks better, right? More than professional. So you got 21mm, much wider than the about 28 equal to 90mm. Looks nice.